How do you jailbreak a Firestick? Super easy, guys. Check this out. First thing, go to your search icon there and type in downloader. By the time you type in DOW, it probably is already going to show up. Click on it. Downloader is a tool that lets you sideload other applications onto your Firestick. And in order to jailbreak it, we need to install this application first. So we let it download. Takes a couple moments. Once you install it, click on it and open it. It's going to ask you to download or access photos. Allow, yes. Click OK or read the start guide if you want. Go back to your home screen. Everything's ready for downloader. You can go all the way down to the settings icon. Come down to My Fire TV. In the About, if you do not have developer options, click into the About. On Firestick there, just highlight it and hit your select button 7 times. Mine already says no need, you're already a developer. Back out of there, go to developer options, turn on ADB debugging, go down to install unknown apps and turn on downloader. You just jailbroke your Firestick. Go back home and you're done. Now if you want, follow the next options or do what you'd wish. Check out my other videos and it tells you how to do all these. Enter a URL. Just type in this quick, either ledbytheunknown.com or 546-835. Push go. And this will bring you to Led by the Unknown website and let you sideload whatever you please. We'll do a quick and easy one here for you. Once you're in here, let me move my head. Once you're in here, go across, click on the hamburger button there for more options. Go down to the downloads, go to downloads, come down to download. Let's do Zumo TV. Click on it. Zumo TV is an application that you can download onto your Firestick, any Android device, Apple Store. Come on down super quick. We have the Amazon Firestick. Click on it. It's going to download this 11 meg application. Down the bottom right here, click install. Installing, and we are good to go. Now, prior to opening it, click done, and then we can delete this APK because we no longer need the install file. And you go, I already have it on here, but you can go down and across to your little 4 squares, come down to downloader. If you want to move it to the front, move it to the front. There you go. Piece of cake, guys. Take it easy. Peace.